Hey guys, Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to take a leg kick. Now, obviously if you see the kick coming, the best thing you want to do is, boom, step off to the side. So I slip back and boom, and then I enter. But let's say I'm in close, I know the kick's coming in, I don't have the time to step off. There's two things you can do. The first one is I can go with it and take it behind here. The second one is as the kick comes in, I can step into it with the weight and absorb some of the shock. Now both of them is I'm coming in and I'm striking at the same time. So I'm not just taking the kick. If I come in, boom, I'm coming in with the punches. If I roll, I'm doing this, boom, and I'm coming straight in with the punches. So every time you're blocking a kick, think that as I'm blocking, I'm striking at the same time. So these are just two options. Obviously, the best one that I prefer, if I can see it, is to step out of the way. If I see the kick coming, I can jam it either here or there and slow it down. Or as he's about to throw his kick, step in. Now this takes a lot of timing as well. So you can practice it. And I do this with my MMA coach where he wears pads. And as he throws his kick, boom, I'm stepping in. So as he throws his kick, boom, boom, I'm stepping in. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.